Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream out of egg white. First, separate 2 large egg whites, ensuring no yolk is present. Make sure your mixing bowl and whisk are impeccably clean and dry. Any grease can prevent the whites from whipping properly. Have 1/4 cup of granulated sugar and a small pinch of cream of tartar ready for the next steps. These simple ingredients are all you need. Start by placing your egg whites into the clean bowl. Begin whipping them on a medium speed with an electric mixer. As they become foamy, add a small pinch of cream of tartar. This helps to stabilize the egg whites and achieve a better volume. Continue mixing until the whites form soft peaks that hold their shape when the whisk is lifted. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once you have soft peaks, it's time to add the sugar. Gradually sprinkle in the 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while the mixer is still running. Increase the mixer speed to medium-high. Continue whipping until the egg whites are glossy and form stiff, firm peaks that stand straight up when the whisk is removed. This step typically takes 3 to 5 minutes. Your beautiful, airy whipped egg whites are now complete. They should be light, fluffy, and hold their shape perfectly. You can gently fold them into mousses, soufflés, or use them as a delightful, low-calorie topping for fruits and other desserts. For the best texture and stability, it's recommended to use or serve your whipped egg whites within 30 minutes of making them. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.